Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to get or gain Facebook like for your posts in Facebook. Alright, so first thing, you must log into your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account. Alright, and go to your profile and search for which of your posts that you need to gain more likes. So today I want to gain more likes for this post, throwback visiting Marvel Studio. Okay, as you can see right now, this post only have 4 likes and 2 wow. Alright, okay, second thing, go to Google Chrome and open up Yolikers, Yolikers, and search for Yolikers, and you can see this on the web. There is a Yolikers website. Click on it and you go to the yolikers.com. Yolikers is a free Facebook exchange that which works on Facebook Graph API. Our auto liker provide unlimited Facebook auto like on your post, photo or video. Alright, we also provide free auto reaction, get instant like, reaction, followers at free of course. Okay, so this is what we have to do right now. First thing, you can see the method to login. What you have to do, just click here because you need to access token to log in to your Facebook auto like a tool. Okay, click here on the orange bottom, right, and fill up your Facebook email address and your password and click on generate token. Right, and you can see this is the token that you need to copy and paste on the previous page. Alright, first click on the token description and select all, click on copy, and after that you hit the green button, go back and paste your token. Right, then scroll down and you can see the input access token below. Enter your token here and log in. Okay, you paste the previous token description that you already copied and click on login. Alright, just wait for a few seconds. Alright, success, it's already logged in. Alright, right now you can see your Facebook profile photos there. Okay, second thing, what you have to do is you need to paste your custom link to this page. Right, okay, alright, you see here, enter link or post ID. You need to copy your link from your post, so you can either get like, love, aha, wow, sad or angry. Okay, now go back to your Facebook and this is the post that I need to get more likes. As you can see, it's only 6 reactions. Alright, and click on the bottom there, copy link. Okay, the link already copied, and go back to Google Chrome and you paste here under the enter link or post ID, paste there. Lastly, click on submit. Okay, wait for a few seconds again. success. So you can see the 53 likes and reaction been delivered by the Yolikers. Okay, now going out from this Yolikers, go back to your Facebook. There's a notification bell there. Voila, right now suddenly I have 57 likes. Wow, previously only 5 likes, and right now I got 57 likes for this post. Whoa. Alright, so you can repeat the same process after 15 minutes, and you can, for any post that you want to get more likes, so people can see your post with more likes or more reaction. Okay, so that's all. For more tips, tricks, you just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.